Hello and welcome to Hard Way Learning, where we look stupid so you don't have to. Today we are working on this 2010 Chevy Cobalt. It's making a weird, it's got the funk, it's got the clunks in the front left side of the car. So, you know, we're just coming down here feeling for any play in the wheel bearings, tie rods, ball joints. Really not feeling anything. So the next thing you want to check is control arm bushings. And let me tell you, hardly any effort at all, and that guy just is free balling. So I think we found our issue there. So we're gonna replace it. You're gonna remove the front bushing first, the 15 millimeter. Front and rear. I'm gonna keep these guys. Next, I'm gonna try to get this pinch bolt did. Looks like maybe it's also a 15. Oh yeah. We can hopefully get that right there. Hold the nut. Oh, come on. 17, 16. That's some rando stuff. All right, now we gotta shove something in the old pincherooski down there. Free up this bolt real quick. See if that gets us anywhere. 21. Let's do it. Well. Like that. Stuck on something. That bushing is toast. Nasty. Gonzo. Like Alonzo. Alright, now we sneak this new guy in here.